What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $90 in 1 hour watching videos. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You are watching App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $90 in 1 hour watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And sometimes this month, somebody gonna win some free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. And do me another favor and hit that like button for me. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Also, if you have anything that you want to ask, any questions at all about what I talked about today, just put that in the comments below. Now let me get into this method. I don't want to hold you guys too long. Now, please do not skip through anything. Watch this all the way to the very end, because there's some important details you need to know so you can make this $90 in 1 hour. And also, I have a special bonus at the end of this video, so please watch it all the way to the very end so you can know what that special bonus is. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $90 in 1 hour watching videos. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Userlytics. All right, so what this website does is pay you to test websites and apps. Now, what you're going to be doing is watching a video, and you're going to be going through that video, going through the app. So you're going to be testing the app. It's going to show you things about that app in the video, and you give your opinion on it. So you're going to be helping people with their apps, also with websites. And this is a video that you're going to be watching. So you can register and earn money, it says here, and by completing a short and easy form. So you're going to interact with a web and or mobile app, and all you're going to do is you're going to answer a few questions. Then you're going to get paid by PayPal within 15 days, and you can get paid as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. So this is some, it's a user test type of website, but you're going to be really watching a video and giving your opinion while you're going through the website or the app. So here how it works. So you would enjoy being paid on a part-time basis to check out the usability of apps or websites as a test from home on your own time whenever you're free. And it says you're going to be providing feedback and suggestions. Your work will consist of completing a series of tasks and instructions while interacting with a prototype and production website and mobile apps, or viewing video commercials or other digital user interface, while speaking out loud your thoughts, emotions, and criticisms and suggestions while answering questions. And you will be paid $5, $10, $15, even up to $90 while doing so. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be watching a video, and so also you're going to be watching commercials. So that's how it's worked. So right here it says, what countries can you test from? And you could test from Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Japan, China. So there's a lot of countries and a lot of regions of the world that we're able to test, watch these videos, and get paid. And what kind of software you would need? You'll need a desktop computer, a Mac, or a PC. Mac need to be OS X 10.13 or higher, or PC Windows 7 or higher. Standard browser is installed on the device, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Need a microphone, need a webcam, and the Userlytics recorder installed on your desktop. So that's all you need to start. And your mobile test is only for mobile tests, you only will need mobile phone, Android 5 or higher, iPhone, iOS 11 or higher, standard browser such as Chrome or Safari, microphone, use your front camera, and Userlytics app for your iOS or Android to be installed in the mobile device. So that's all you need to get started. All right, so if you're interested in starting to make money up to $90 watching these videos and doing these tests, just go to userlytics.com. Now let me go to this next one. This is just a bonus I want to give y'all that you guys can look out. You guys need to look out for. And the name of this site is iRazoo. Now it says here, get paid for watching videos online. Watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. iRazoo TV allows you to earn iRazoo points for each video that you watch. Our video inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. So this has been seen on Yahoo, CNN, the Wall Street Journal. And it says here how it works is you're going to be earning iRazoo points when you watch several videos that have ads, movie trailers, and future entertainment. So you're going to accumulate those points, and you're going to be able to turn those into AMC Theaters or Regal Entertainment, or turn these points into cash from PayPal. And right here you could collect your free 100 points. Just enter your email address and you get free 100 points off the bat. And this is their partners right here. So basically this is how this works. This is a very good site. They're backed by, they've been seen on big companies as far as a good website to make some money on. So if you're ready to go ahead and try this website out and start making some money watching videos online, go to iRazoo.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will help you start earning $90 in 1 hour watching videos. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start watching those videos, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now let me tell you about the special bonus. Now if you can direct your attention to the description below where it says free money giveaway instructions, if you follow those instructions, you can be the winner of some free money. Now, once I get to 2,500, which is going to be this month, I believe it's going to be this month, I'm going to give out some free money to 2 people. So share that, help a brother get to 2,500 subscribers, and you could be the next winner. Also check out some other good stuff I have in the description below, where you can get some free stuff. All you gotta do is, be a subscriber to this channel, and you'll be able to get some free stuff where it says free giveaways in the description below. And also I have it where you can click this link and you can get some money right off the bat. So check all that out in the description below. Now, one more thing. I had somebody in the comments, which was one of my Grind family members. He wants me to do a video about how to make money as a small YouTuber. Now, if I get 100 likes, guys, if you hit me with 100 likes, all you guys that's watching out there, I will go ahead and make that video for you guys. Also, drop a comment down below saying you want me to make a video about how to make money as a small YouTuber. So do that, guys, and I will make that video. All right, please share this video all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can all around the world on how to make money online and how to be financially free. I want to help everybody to become their own boss and get this money on autopilot. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Again, I can't thank you enough, Grind family, for your support. Keep supporting the brother, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. We're gonna grow together. The sky's the limit, guys. One more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.